Join us, support us, join us, support us. Just because the media is massive, we have draconian laws, we have brutal police action, and we have the judiciary working at the behest of the political leaders. Join us, support us.
Along Highway 70 in Marysville, this historic cemetery is the final resting place of some of the most influential names from the gold rush. But for now, the Marysville City Cemetery is closed because 2 weeks ago it was underwater.
Probably the worst flooding we've seen in at least 10 years.
Increased releases from the Oroville Dam spillway sent rushing water down the Feather River. When that happened, this nearby slough flooded the grave sites, says Cemetery Commissioner Anna Hill.
Somehow the earth shifted.
The shifting earth caused this monument from 1860 to topple over. Others are tilting or losing their strong foundations. The saturated soil has also created sinkholes above some caskets. A member of the Donner Party and a co-founder of Macy's are among the 10,000 people buried at the oldest city-run cemetery west of the Mississippi.
They all have a story and they all have the right to have their final resting spots to be in good shape.
The citizens of Marysville that are buried here are the voices no one hears, and it's our job to protect them.
City Council member Christopher Pettigo surveyed the damage with Hill Monday. He promises to push for aid from the city, state, or federal government.
We're going to work every angle to make sure we get as much money to preserve and protect this cemetery.
To Hill, preserving the cemetery means preserving history and the thousands of stories connected to those buried in Marysville.
We want them to be remembered.